welcome back. This is part 2 of our sig fig section. This is all dealing with the calculations based on our significant figures. So these are the rules that are going to tell you what you're going to round your answer to. This is basically what we're going to be focusing on a lot of the questions. So if we look at this one here, so here's the rules for multiplying and dividing. If you multiply and divide and you end up getting an answer, what you need to do is round your answer to the lowest number of significant figures from the question. So if you look, this has 3, this has 3, your answer has to be rounded to 3 significant figures. So when we get our answer as 4.337, what we have to round that to is 3 significant figures, which would be 4.3. The 7 tells us we're going to round this one up. There's our answer, 3 sig figs. The same thing, if you want, pause this one right now and try it on your own. I'll give you a second there, and when you come back to the answer, I'll go over the answer. When we round this one, we get 3, or when we calculate this one, we get 3.721030004. We need to round it to 3 sig figs. 3 sig figs. Our final answer has to be 3 significant figures, 3.72. So the rest of these answers here, the rest of these digits, aren't significant. So whatever our precision that we were looking for said that we can only go to 3 sig figs, even though our calculations say we have more, these initial numbers is what predicts what our product's going to be. So let's look at adding and subtracting. So a little bit different, but it's still based on the significant figures. It's not based on significant figures. What it's based on is decimal places. So if you look here, this has 3 decimal places, this has 1. We go to the lowest for our answer. So when we subtract this, what we're going to end up getting is 5.545, but we have to round it to 1 decimal place. So here's our decimal place, so it's going to be 5.5. And finally, with this one, when we add this up, we're going to get 146.7867. We have 4 decimal places here. We have 2 decimal places here, so our answer has to be 146.79. So it doesn't matter that this had plenty of sig figs and this had 4. All it matters is the decimal places. So that should be a nice, quick, and easy way to do this. And we'll be doing lots of practice problems in class.